Hi, it's Rick here from the CAD Jewelry School, and I just wanted to share with you a resource that you can use as a rhinogold user or even someone that's trialing the software. You can actually go to the myrhinogold.com website. It's www.myrhinogold.com, and there you'll be greeted with their homepage. But apart from a lot of video tutorials that you can access, and also a gallery of people's work. One of the most useful areas is actually the forum, and the forum is available both in English, Spanish, French, and there are some frequently asked questions and facts there as well. So at the moment, look, there are nearly 900 discussions going on in the forum, and a lot of people that are active in the forums have been long-time users of the software or can actually give you a lot of information, a lot of knowledge for any questions that you have. So I would suggest using the discussion forum if you have either a technical question. You might be a new user and you may have a technical question that you want to solve, or it may actually be a problem with the software, so you might be having some problem, some command or function, so you can actually post those sort of things on the forum. And the other thing is that you can post images to explain your problem, or even your working file. If you've got a file that you're working on that you need some help with, or you're stuck at a particular point with a command, it's always recommended that if you can't resolve it quickly, one other method is to post a copy of the file. So in order to use the forum really well, you can browse it, but it's best to actually become a member, and it costs you nothing obviously to do that, and you can do that just up here at the sign up page. So if you click on there, you'll be greeted with a sign up page that allows you to enter your email address, a password, your date of birth information, and a name. So sign up and register. It only takes a minute or two, and it's a great resource for anyone that's wanting to learn rhinogold, or even for people that have done training and are quite used to it. It is a great resource to have access to. Now, I mentioned that you can attach images to your forum posts, so I just want to quickly show you a method to do that, and this is the quickest and simplest way to do this if you're running Windows on your notebook computer. So let me just go to my rhinogold exercise here. Let's say we were stuck with something and we wanted to post a copy of what I'm seeing on my screen, just to explain the issue is. So you can actually save a screen capture as a JPEG image, and for those of you that don't know how to do that, it's simply pressing a key on your keyboard. Any keyboard will have a print screen button. It's normally located at the top row of keys on your keyboard. On notebooks, I know it is often abbreviated to PRT-SC for print screen, but either pressing that button or possibly pressing the function key, holding the function key down while you press the print screen button, will take a copy of your screen. On some keyboards you probably just need to press the print screen button just by itself, but that will copy the contents of what you see on your screen to the clipboard in Windows, and we can then paste that into Microsoft Paint. So to do that, if you're a user that has Microsoft Windows 8, you can go to the Start menu and it'll bring up this familiar screen here, and you can actually just start typing in Paint, and it will go looking for the application, and you just click on the icon and it will actually go and launch Microsoft Paint. Now with Microsoft Paint launched, what we can obviously do is come in and paste the image that we had captured a moment ago. So to do that, we just press Control V on our keyboard. So hold down to the Control key and press V, and it will paste the contents of that clipboard into your working file there. And simply you can just then save that as a JPEG image. So you can come to the File menu and select Save As, I should say, and we want to save this as a JPEG image. A JPEG's a smaller image file, and it is much more suitable for emailing or posting on a forum. So just click on that and it will open up the Save As dialog and prompt you for a name and folder. So type in a name and hit the Save button, obviously, to save that. Okay, hopefully that's something that helps you if you've ever got any problems with the software, not just rhinogold, for any application, and hopefully that helps. Okay, bye.